Roborock has long been a great companion in the journey toward a cleaner home. Their premium offering in the Qrevo lineup highlights the best features that the brand has brought to the segment, resulting in a long-term, one-stop solution for a durable and comprehensively capable robot mopping vacuum that does its core duty right, freeing up our time and our hands for getting even more done with little fuss. And it's actually right over here, as you can see, in the corner, sitting and ready to clean up things in my apartment. So let's talk about that premium offering in this video sponsored by Roborock. Hey, it's Joshua Vergara. What's going on, everybody? This right here is the Roborock Qrevo Edge 2. Once again, a big thanks to Roborock for sponsoring this video. I've been a fan of their innovations in the robot vacuum space, and with the Qrevo Edge 2, we're kind of getting back to basics. That is to say, we're making sure that the essentials are performing at a high clip so that basically all people looking to keep their homes clean can rely on this little vacuum to get the job done. And with Mother's Day upon us, Roborock's offerings, including this Qrevo Edge 2, could be a great addition to the home that frees up moms and others' time and effort in a meaningful way. It certainly has for me, as a one-man band in my work that struggles to find time to get a lot of house chores and home admin work done at some point along the way. And that all starts with the easy-to-set-up base station, which the Qrevo Edge 2 calls home, complete with water tanks to wash and prepare the rotating mops on the actual unit, dispose of the dirty water that results from that refresh, gather the dry bits into its own dust bag within the station, and charge the vacuum for upcoming cleaning sessions. Connecting the whole unit, with the vacuum and base station and all, to the Roborock app simply requires scanning the QR code on the robot unit and connecting it to your Wi-Fi network, after which time the quick mapping gets a quick snapshot of the surroundings it will both vacuum and mop, with plenty of tools to make both chores very easy. Those tools help ensure that while I'm getting other stuff done, whether it's productivity or home chore related, I don't have to break my focus in order to fix any incidental issues. Because it might be easy for vacuums like this to get a tangle or two when plenty of long hair, kind of like mine, or really my partner's, could just be laying around all of the other debris it is meant to be picking up. Effective handling of all that requires high power, of which the Qrevo Edge 2 sports 25,000 Pascal units of suction to work with. But the brush also needs to be able to handle the buildup, and that's where the DuoDivide main brush comes into play. The shape and different speeds of these brushes actually work together to make the hair move from the ends to the center, where it gets effectively sucked up. This works better than other robot vacuums that might have a single brush, or maybe a different movement that makes the hair gather in the places that you don't want them to, often leading to the need to get like a razor or a pair of scissors to intervene and cut the tangles. The same attention to detail goes into the FlexiArm Arc side brush, whose shape also mitigates the tangling of hairs that other vacuums would just collect on the spinning gear. Whether it's hair or pet sheddings, these brushes can be a game changer for really keeping the floors clean. It goes beyond just the hair and the dry bits though, since actually mopping to clean up stains and liquid spills are also included in the Qrevo Edge 2's duties. The rotating mops on this robot get cleaned and moistened in the base station before going out to do their thing. And what makes this set interesting for me is how the Edge 2 adds 8 newtons of downward pressure, literally pushing the mops into the floor to really get into those stains even better. With that amount of extra force applied, the mops have to withstand the work, and Roborock made sure that they are durable with a weave structure and reinforced fiber matrix that help them keep shape and efficacy after multiple mopping sessions. More of the moisture gets locked in, ensuring that less of it is left on the floor when you're all done. Also, both the main brush and the mop can be lifted and lowered based on what the AI recognition finds on the surface, be it bigger spills or deeper dry dirt, both of which require something a little different and perhaps a little more depending on the situation. And here's an important one for someone like me that spends a lot of time in the kitchen and dining area. That side brush that keeps from getting tangled also gets extended out to reach into the walls or the corners so that it can pick up everything in the nooks and crannies. Since I cook a lot and prep is always a little messy, I find that there are bits in the little corners of my kitchen island over here and also under the main cooking areas. The Qrevo Edge 2 makes quick work of these areas that are a literal pain to clean up manually, and running the vacuum around the kitchen area has become more of a habit for me while I'm washing the dishes or resetting the kitchen. See, I can do more when the Qrevo Edge 2 is able to do a lot of the other tasks for me. I mentioned how hard it is to get into the corners, but it's even harder to get under furniture, or in this case, the dining table, the kitchen island. Enter the low-profile robot vacuum, which has a thin body of just under 8 centimeters, making it great at handling low spaces. Roborock's signature retractable Li-DAR sensor literally lowers itself for low clearances while maintaining the 100-degree vision and upward DTOF rangefinder so it can still know exactly where it's going. I can rest assured that any wayward dust, debris, or even crumbs that might have gotten under areas that I literally can't reach are addressed by the Qrevo Edge 2. Speaking of knowing where it's going, Roborock continues evolving their reactive AI technology that helps with object and obstacle recognition for a wide range of uses, mainly for avoiding whatever it might find in its path. While it might be able to get around obstacles easily and find an effective path around any wayward items, the added recognition of surfaces and furniture gives the robot vacuum the ability to categorize areas and know how much of those areas it was actually able to work on during any one session. That leads to a nice added ability that I find myself really appreciating: double assurance. There are times when I'm just getting things done, while the Qrevo Edge 2 is running and I get in its way, leading to the reactive AI making a choice to change paths. After finishing what it believes was possible, the robot will use its memory of the cleaning area to judge whether or not it should go back and see if whatever was blocking the path, like me, has left. It works to ensure that every possible inch of my apartment gets the cleaning treatment, and that's undeniably helpful. So, cleaning the floors gets done easily with the Qrevo Edge 2. What about cleaning itself? Well, that's what happens when the robot gets back into that base station, the multifunctional dock. Water gets heated up from the clean tank up to 80 degrees Celsius, helping to further loosen and clean out any stains and dirt that the rotating mops may have picked up along the way. All that high temperature washing is also important for ensuring that bacteria is killed and removed from the mops so that it's not just getting spread around the surface. The temperature is adjusted according to how dirty the mops are, and you can change those settings among other things in the Roborock app. And in the new cleaning tray that expands the cleaning area for the mops, there's also a new soak mode that can be used to do an even deeper clean of the cloth. It's yet another way that the Qrevo Edge 2 takes extra work away when the mops don't have to be replaced as often due to the effective cleaning abilities of that multifunctional dock. Watching all of this happen and adjusting everything is easy with the Roborock app, which can keep things as simple as hitting Smart Plan and letting the vacuum figure everything out on its own, or by getting really granular with plenty of aspects of the cleaning process. Controlling the Qrevo Edge 2 can be done in multiple ways, including with one's voice and with the Apple Watch. Of course, also remotely, so that cleaning can be done even if I'm out and about. Multitasking can take on a whole new meaning at that point, because if we go back to the whole Mother's Day of it all, let's say I'm out with my mom getting errands done. I'm the one that controls our Roborock helpers, so I can get any chores done easily, even when roaming the grocery aisles, for example. I could even connect to the camera to give me a glimpse into my home, just as an added way of making sure everything is alright. And that's really what makes this Roborock Qrevo Edge 2 such a great value proposition. The fact that it not only works to take your chore work away, but it can also be as low maintenance on its own as possible. Aside from the occasional water tank cleaning and dust bin replacement for the bag, the Qrevo Edge 2 literally makes an essential part of a clean home, and that would be the clean floor, easier to achieve. The rest is up to me, but at that point, there's more time to do it. And if that's the benefit I'm feeling, think of how well these Roborock cleaning companions can make life better for your home and your families. With Mother's Day coming up, it's often important for us to figure out what matters most for those who are important in our lives. And while a Roborock vacuum like the Qrevo Edge 2 has a very practical use and function, what I hope I've made clear with my own experience here is that such practicality can end up being a gift of time. Time opened up or time returned, which is more and more important in our fast-paced days. And isn't that what good, helpful technology is supposed to be about? To learn more about the Roborock Qrevo Edge 2 and to check it out for yourself, check out the links that are in the description and in the pinned comment below. From there though, I'm going to go ahead and call it on this one. Thank you so much for hanging out with me again today. Please take care of yourselves and each other, and enjoy your tea, everybody. I won't spill it. Well, I would be covered if I actually did.